Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari, and in today's video, I'm going to dive into a fantastic opportunity for making some extra cash using shrinkme.io. If you stumble upon this video, chances are you're already familiar with it or have been curious about how to leverage it for income. Stick around because I'll provide an overview of shrinkme.io and follow it up with a practical examples on how you can use it to make some extra cash. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, just making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered and watch the complete presentation. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, I would also be giving you a bonus worth thousands of dollars absolutely for free. Now, without any delay, let's get started. So when it comes to the URL shorteners like shrinkme.io, the key is to drive traffic to a specific link. And in return, you get paid for the views on the advertisement displayed. If we take a look at shrinkme.io's payout rates, you'll notice they offer a $1 sign-up bonus with a minimum payout of $5. And payment options includes like PayPal, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, and even bank transfer. You know, idle traffic comes from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States, but it's essential to know that you can't always control the origin of your traffic. The earnings per 1,000 views vary, with the highest being $22 for Greenland's and $11 for US based traffic. While ShrinkMe is a great way to make money, it's crucial to understand that it won't make you rich overnight. However, the method I'm about to share allows you to earn money in a more passive manner. If you head to the payment proof section, you'll see users cashing out regularly. So shrinkme.io is a legitimate and popular URL shortener, making it a viable option if you're looking to make some extra income online. To get started, simply create a free account on their platform. So I would be leaving the website link down in the description. If you're interested, then you can go ahead. Once you're on the dashboard after you get signed up, you can see that $1 would be credited in your dashboard. So you can begin shortening links right away. Take any link you want to shrink, paste it in the provided space, and voila, you have a shortened link ready to go. Now the challenge is figuring out how to make money with these links. How can you entice people to click on your link, build trust, and generate substantial traffic is the question. So I've come up with a method that works and creates passive income for you. Now consider creating tutorial videos on popular topics that people search for regularly. For example, a video on how to create a Facebook account can attract a considerable audience. As you can see on the screen, when I search how to create a Facebook account on YouTube, I came across many tutorial videos, and you can see each video is having thousands of views. So just think, if in case you divert these viewers to the description, which is having shrinkme.io link in it, guess how would be the profits you would be cashing in. So make sure in your video description, instead of directly linking to Facebook, use your shrinkme.io shorten link. By doing this, you not only help people with valuable information, but also earn money every time someone clicks on your link. So this strategy isn't limited to Facebook tutorials. You can create videos on various topics and link to products or websites that your viewers may find useful. For example, I made a video about no face big bucks using YouTube, easy and automated. So this video will be helping you out to create a YouTube video without showing your face or giving any voiceovers. So if in case you are very shy with the camera, then you can make use of this strategy. And in this link, you know, I've always asking my viewers to click a link in the description, okay, at the beginning of this video and at the end of this video. So instead of using the direct link, I can make use of shrinkme.io link over there. So if anyone clicks on that link, so I would be credited with some money into the shrinkme.io dashboard. And also I request you to watch this video completely. You know guys, this is completely a no-brainer video. This would be helping you out to create YouTube videos without even showing your face and giving a voiceover. Okay, by making use of AI, you can create a 15-minute videos, and also you can follow the same strategy at the end of this video or at the beginning of this video. You can ask people to visit the link in the description and make sure you involve shrinkme.io link over there so that you get credited passively. And remember guys, the videos which you create doesn't have to be complex. Even creating simple videos like how to create a Twitter account can work wonders. And guys, you know, if you are ready to create videos on your own, to record those videos, you can make use of your phone's built-in screen recorder or opt for apps like AZ Screen Recorder for Android. If you prefer recording on computer, make use of OBS Studio, and it is a fantastic tool to record the screen. You know, uploading helpful videos online is one of the most effective ways to generate consistent traffic, especially to URL shorteners like shrinkme.io. No face, big bucks using YouTube, easy and automated. So this video would be surely helping you to create a 15 minutes long YouTube videos by making use of AI without showing your face or giving any voiceover. And guys, here is an additional tip I would like to give you. Now the strategy or the video which I'm about to show you would be helping you to generate even more money. So you're going to get paid in two different ways. One is from shrinkme.io and other is from affiliate marketing. So recently I created a video called Click Create Cash In, earn $745 every day with Digistore 24 affiliate success for beginners. So I would be linking that video in the description down below, or you can see that popping in the I button. So please click that link. Was the complete presentation. So here I've clearly shown how to get an affiliate product, promote it and start making money. Okay, here I made use of a platform called Rightly. Okay, so what you have to do is, after you have done with the generating with a Rightly link, copy that link, head over to shrinkme.io, enter that Rightly link over there, shorten that link and paste it in your description. So start promoting, and you can mention that link in your YouTube video description, Pinterest, Twitter, and you can even follow the same video, earn $745 per day. I've clearly shown how to make use of Pinterest to drive traffic. Okay, you can make use of the same shrinkme.io link over there. So once people start visiting that link, you get credited with the shrinkme.io shortening link. And also if the customer is interested to participate in this program, you are going to get paid with $745 per day. I'm not joking, guys. This strategy will be working sure for you. Why? Because it worked for me and I think like it would be working for you. The only thing is like you need to put some dedication into these strategies. Alright guys, so I request you to watch the two videos which I have mentioned in this video, so that you will be getting some clear short idea and work along with the strategies what I'm showing you in those videos, so that you will be earning with shrinkme.io as well as you would be earning with affiliate marketing around $745. So I also promised you like I would also be giving you a bonus worth thousands of dollars, right? As you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs of mine. First one is Launchpad Secrets. This program would be helping you out to start your affiliate marketing journey, and finally you learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate. And the second program is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This will be helping you out to grow on YouTube, as well as the Stasho method. This is my own program. Okay, and it would be helping individuals to create their own dietary supplement brand from comfort of their home without any inventory or product. Okay, this is a no-brainer program, so I request you to watch this complete tutorial videos. And the last one is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients. And if in case you are starting your own agency or doing some freelancing work, this program would be an absolute fit for you. And these programs would be costing you thousands of dollars if you go somewhere and get this or buy these programs. But if you still get registered with the first link in the description down below, after you get registered, you would be watching a 2 hours presentation. So I request you to watch that complete 2 hours presentation, and that would be really helping you out to get started and build your own online business. Alright guys, so once you get registered and watch the presentation, you would be receiving an email from our team, and in that email will show you how to get access to this complete bundle. And if you are really interested in learning more about making money through online, as I said you, please click the first link in the description, get registered and watch the presentation. It's a method I'm implementing, and it might just be the key for your success. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and ring that notification bell. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.